everyone, we are back with another eye tutorial. This beautiful pink lemonade with gold glitter eye look. If you are new, welcome, and hit the subscribe button and like the video for support if you enjoyed. Thanks to anyone who has been showing support and love to my videos. Without further ado, let's get it started. So I already primed my eye using my favorite primer, the Urban Decay Primer Potion, and then concealing with Urban Decay Concealer in the color Fair, as well as tape the corners of my eyes just to help with fallout and making sure my eye stays neat. And if you are new, I stated this many times in other eye videos, but this concealer method helps a lot for anyone who's on the darker skin shades to make your eye color pop, and it can work on people who are lighter than me and whatever the case may be. But I'm pretty much applying this concealer all on my lid and a little bit close to my brow line and on my lower lash line. I place at least 3 coats to just make sure there are no creases or my skin color showing through. I usually pack it on my lid while I tend to blend it out around the brow line and lower lash line, so when I apply and start blending the eyeshadow, it just be easier to mesh in. So now I'm going to be using my Bhcosmetics Take Me Back to Brazil eye palette and Coastal Scents 250 eye palette in this video. As y'all see, I took the second light pink and the pink that's on the bottom to it and used those together, and then took a deeper pink color in my Coastal Scents palette and mixed all 3 together using this base eyeshadow brush from Sephora and place it under my brow line and around my crease. I honestly don't know much about eyeshadow brushes, but I'm still learning. I just need an eyeshadow brush kit that has all the names of each and every brush and what it's used for. I'm just saying. So I apologize if y'all didn't see the other color, but y'all gonna see it later on once I'm finished applying the first step. And as well as, if you did not know, I do have 2 other videos that should be uploaded with this one, a tutorial on this color and review on this hair. I'll leave the links down below and at the end of the video. Again, the key rule, what is written in the eyeshadow Bible is blend, blend, blend. And then when I blend it enough, I just tend to dip my brush back into the eyeshadow and just pat the color in the area just to bring back the vividness. And I did say in my Bhcosmetics review that I'll give my final thoughts on this palette, and I think the palette is worth the money. I think the pros is that it's affordable. Most of the colors are very pigmented, especially the black eyeshadow I have tried. I feel like the eyeshadows blend very easily when applying, and especially mixing with other colors. I just say the only 2 cons was that I felt the very light pastel colors, such as the first pink color, seemed not pigmented enough. And then it does have quite a bit of fallout usually when you apply, so I just think they need to work on the light pastel colors and maybe fix the fallout problem. But other than that, it's worth it, so who knows, I may buy the other palette from them that's supposed to have more of a shimmery palette, I believe. I think it's the remix version, that's what it's called. I could be wrong, but it's something like up to that degree. So now I'm going to be taking a dark gold yellow shade in my Coastal Scents palette and a gold yellow shade in my Bhcosmetics palette and place it on my lid halfway to the outer corner of my eye with a medium-sized brush and just begin to mesh it with the pink color too. And y'all might didn't notice, but I did show the last colors I was going to use as well, that I will be using pretty much a light yellow color and it's kind of like it's like a bit of a shimmer to it, and I'm going to be placing that on my lid, the inner corner of my eyes and my lower lash line once I'm through with the second step. By the way, this eye look pretty much came from just an idea in my head, wanting to combine yellow and pink. I just didn't know what technique I was going to do, such as a wing eyeshadow or cut crease, etc, etc. It's pretty much almost a trial and learn as I go kind of thing. So once I see some results, I'll be like, yep, that's what I'm doing. I'm just saying. And sometimes here and there I might feel inspired. Like, you know, I did a previous video from a girl on Instagram that I liked her wing eye, so yes. Now for the final touch, I'll be using Stila glitter eyeshadow in the color Gold Goddess, and I'll be using a small detail brush to place it a little above my crease and where the pink and yellow meet, and we'll be placing some on my lower lash line. Once finished, I'll just clean up my eye area with concealer and put on the rest of my makeup and be back for the results. And I forgot to say, when you see the results, I had added lashes. You're gonna see later on. Well, you saw in the intro too, but at the end you'll see that I add some lashes from Luxury Lashes, and the type was natural. And I'll leave all the products I use down in the description box. And these are the results. Thanks to anyone watching. Show support to the video with a like, comment, share, and subscribe again. I'm pretty happy and loving how it came out. So if I don't see y'all again this month, happy holidays and happy New Year's. Like, take care.